Hey guys, welcome. It is like 2 o'clock on Wednesday when I'm filming this, and I'm about to go live in an hour with OFRA Cosmetics over on Instagram. We have already been live when you guys see this video, but I am cooking my lunch. I am filming this video for y'all, and I'm also filming a what I eat in a day on my kitchen channel. So you girls are crazy busy trying to fit so much in, and I'm like, why is it to me that go is like what I thrive on? Weird, right? Okay, anyways, hey friends, welcome to the channel. Today we are unboxing my paid for Ipsy, Boxy by Ipsy. One of these days, but I literally starts like, one of these days I'm gonna figure it out. So I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members first and foremost. Thank you guys so much for helping to support the channel. You don't have to, but you choose to, and I appreciate you all. Thank you to those of you that, sorry if I have food in my teeth, I was eating a turkey stick, but thank you to those of you that click that thanks button and thank the channel. I'm kind of calling it like a tipping the channel or something. I don't really know what to call it. That's kind of, I guess, how YouTube says, whatever, I don't know. So thank you to those of you that click that thanks button, and I do want to say thank you to those of you that have picked up my collection with OFRA Cosmetics. It still boggles my brain, and I'm so unbelievably grateful and thankful for you all. And I have this on today, and I don't have the eye stuff on today because I'm going to be doing that with OFRA here in about an hour. But I love this palette so much, and seeing you all receive this palette and leave comments saying that how much you love it, I'm like, oh my gosh, thank you guys so much. Specifically, I took a screenshot. I think it was Courtney. Let me find it real quick. You don't know how happy your comment made me, girly girl. Yeah, Courtney, thank you, Courtney. She left it on my try-on video of my OFRA Cosmetics, and I was doing multiple looks, and I cannot appreciate you, and like, I'm really bad with words, y'all. I'm so bad. But Courtney, thank you so much for that kind comment. Like, that literally means the world to me, and I love that you saw my vision and that my vision has worked so well for you. So anywho, y'all, thank you guys. The collection is available. You can get the lip duo together, you can get it individually, you can use your favorite influencers coupon code over at OFRA. I have one, it's Hot Mess, but use anybody and everybody. Share the mother truckin' love, okay? It's just, thank you guys. Let's get into my paid for. I honestly, you know what I wish that they would go back to the black box that says Boxycharm, and then with a splash of pink put by Ipsy. You know, because like when I do my thumbnails, I'm like, where's the Boxycharm behind it? You know what I mean? Which I know that they probably have to get through like a bunch of things, but whatever. That's just what I think. So that's interesting. I've got 2 seals on my box this time. So as always, when it comes to the paid for box after tax in Kentucky, ooh, it's like $32, somewhere around there. You do get to customize 3 of the 5 items. I know by the time I have customized my box what's in my box, but I have this lovely thing called mom brain that I forget. So when this box arrives, I'm like, I don't even remember. So it's like Christmas all over again. Remember a few videos ago I was griping about that, like, and you remember years prior to that I was like, it would be really nice if we knew what we were getting so we could know what to pick. Well, I got all of that. I got all of that wrapped into one, and now I'm like, doesn't matter because I still forget. So good fun times there. All right, so oh, Ipsy, Boxy. Can we just, were y'all watching? Were you guys watching? Because I'd be complaining about the lack of dunnage. Can we just, look at this. We got that, and then we got something wrapped in bubble wrap. So, kudos to you. That makes me very excited. Like crazy excited. Okay, so this was not bubble wrap, but that's okay. Now it's all coming back to me now. Now I remember. I actually did a video of my choices, and I literally said in that video, I purposely picked 2 palettes up because I wanted to see if they came busted or wrapped well. So the palettes have not been wrapped. So we'll see how that works. The past couple boxes, I've either had one thing missing and they replaced it with something completely different, or one thing completely shattered and they replaced it with something different, which was interesting. So this was a choice item. This is the Il Makiage eyeshadow palette in the Color Boss Squad, and this was gorgeous. I actually received it in PR. Oh, hallelujah. This is awesome. And it made it. So it made it in PR, it made it here too. So this may be in a future giveaway, which by the way, I have my collection with OFRA Cosmetics. I'll try and remember to link the giveaway link down below for you guys so you can enter into that giveaway. So if Haley doesn't want this, I will be putting this in a giveaway for you all. This is so luxe and nice, and this is what I'm talking about. When I think Boxycharm subscription, the whole reason I ever signed up with Boxycharm 2015, circa 2015, whatever they say, was I wanted the bougie brands, the brands I couldn't afford, the brands that I didn't want to fork the money out on. You know, I wanted that. And unfortunately, I don't have the price on here. And I actually don't have the app on my phone anymore because I was having such an issue trying to log into it and yada yada yada, nobody really cares, that I deleted it. So this is expensive. So this makes me really happy. So let me just jump in to the next palette that I chose. And I told you guys, this wasn't even my color story really. I just wanted to see if they could ship it without it being busted. And I know, you know, I told you all that I kind of put the blame on the postal system, UPS, whatever, you know, they drop kick things. And one of y'all had a really good point and said, it doesn't flippin' matter what UPS or FedEx or USPS or DHL or who the flip ever does to our packages. If the company uses the proper dunnage, then it shouldn't matter if they drop kick the box. And I'm like, okay, girl, I see your point. Point taken, touche, you know? So this is the Violet Voss Sakura Blossom 18 color eyeshadow shadow and pressed pigment palette. A lot of P's. Wow. Okay, Ipsy. This makes me so happy. So it made it. It flippin' made it. I could not be more excited. That is awesome. These are absolutely beautiful. Like I said, it's not my color story, but the shimmers are stunning, and I really do like Violet Voss's formula. Like, I could definitely create a look right here with those colors. So here's an up close of it. I will say one thing that has made me excited, and I haven't been excited with the whole Boxy Ipsy merging doohickey, especially when it comes to the shopping. But I will say, I got a little email this morning and I jumped into drop shop add-ons, whatever you want to call it. I don't even remember at this point what they call it, but they had good stuff there. And I was watching, this was like months ago, one of Yari G's videos, and she had gotten like Pat McGrath. And I ended up picking up the KVD, I think it's called like the Balm Foundation or whatever it is. I picked that up today. I picked up something else. I only spent like $32, but I honestly was going on there looking for the Bloom Effects Royal Tulip Nectar, because that has been my saving grace for my extremely dry skin. I know it's summertime, but my skin has like, it's been me. I've been stressed out. I haven't been drinking enough water. I was worried about the launch and everything, but you guys have made my heart so happy. The launch is doing great, and I just could not be more like appreciative of you all. But I started using the like clockwork 2 times a day, the Bloom Effects Royal Tulip Nectar, and then this beef talon or whatever it's called. It's like a very earthy, it's straight up beef diet on my face with a little vitamin C. And my skin is getting plump and hydrated again. I'm drinking a lot of water too. I took a left-hand turn. Don't tell me about it in the comment section. Let me live my life, okay? This is who I am. Awkward as sin in public, but can chat your head off on camera. Wow. I don't know where I was going with that, but here I am. Next in here, I got the Apricot Clean. Oh, this was a cleansing oil because I always do a double cleanse. Even pretty much the days I don't have makeup on because I normally have sunscreen on, and I feel like just regular face wash does not take off sunscreen. I feel like I need the oil cleansers or double cleansers or balms to break it down. So this is by Dirty Lamb Apricot Cleansing Oil. It's vegan, natural. You can use it day and night, and I am excited to try that. Okay, fun fact. Haley needed me as a model yesterday for her lashes. So she had put some of the lashes on here, and I haven't had like lash extensions in a long time. I always just use like fake lashes. So forgetting, put a cleansing balm on my eyeballs. I even had, not thinking, put mascara on my eyeballs, and yet they lasted, they stayed, and I'm like, wow, okay. So anyways, again, don't know where I was going with that. If you're still here, thank you. All right, next in here, this is something that I did pick out as well, the KVD tattoo pencil. I want to say that, yeah, Ipsy picked this for me. I did not pick that for me. Okay, so I got it in, I'm just gonna call it brown. Okay, like words, spelling, grammar, not my thing. I mean, I think it's cool if it's your thing. Like, matter of fact, my husband, very smart man, very smart. I went down, and I'm gonna take another left-hand turn. Okay, it's happening, guys. It's happening. But my husband, I was like chatting with him, and I looked over at one of his computer screen, and there was a thesaurus there, and I'm like, a thesaurus? Why you got that up? And he's like, well, I was, he doesn't talk like that. I don't know why I'm doing that, but he was like, well, I was looking for another word to use versus whatever the word was. And I was like, well, what was the word you were gonna use? And he told me, and it was whatever it was like, okay, so why not use that? And he was like, well, I wanted a, I guess, a more intelligent word. And I'm like, wow, can't relate. Because me, half the time, I'm like texting something out or typing something in, and I don't know how to spell it, and it's so bad that the way I'm trying to spell it, that spell check and Apple is still like, WTF, girl, I cannot help you. So I have to take a completely left-hand turn to figure out, like, but yet never does my brain ever think to look at a thesaurus, much less a dictionary. Yeah. Okay, well, back to this. I picked out a brown liner. And I know it's going to be good because it's KVD, and everybody's always, oh yeah, it's a nice gel-based liner. It's like a coffee brown shade. So, again, if you're still here, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Last in here is a Gold Faden, which Ipsy did pick this one. The Pure Start Gentle Detoxification Facial Cleanser. I think that one of my choices as well was another facial cleanser, and I was like, I don't need another one. I already got this one. So, and everybody tells me how great this brand is. I know I probably tried like the little samples of stuff, but, well, I mean, you guys just got how many story times on me, so you pretty much, there's that, there's my brain. So, all right, well, that was awkward. Good awkward ending. So thank you guys if you made it to today's video. Judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. Okay? I won't judge you if you don't judge me. Alright, well, my lunch is done. I'm gonna go eat my egg bites. Thank you again to my YouTube members for absolutely everything, for sticking around. You know, like, even you guys sticking around. So sorry. God forbid I put anything on silent. But thank you guys so much for sticking around. Thank you all so much for your support. Thank you to those of you that do click that thanks button and are kind in the comment section. Hit nudge nudge. Okay, and thank you to those of you that have purchased my collection and tell me that you guys enjoy it, and I appreciate you. Oh, you know what? You guys will see this video probably Thursday. I'm thinking I'll upload it. So next week I will be live on YouTube with OFRA Cosmetics on OFRA's YouTube channel. So make sure you're subscribed. And FYI, YouTube is wonky. I have a freaking collection with them, and they unsubscribed, not OFRA, but YouTube unsubscribed me from OFRA's channel. So double check and see if you're still subscribed to my channel or to anybody's channel that you enjoy watching. Make sure, because actually it wasn't just OFRA, they did that too. They did that to me on a couple different channels. And I was like, oh my God, this is so embarrassing, because for us in our back studio, we can actually see the people that are like subscribed and how soon and recent. And I was like, oh my Lord, I swear I didn't unsubscribe to none of y'all. It's really embarrassing. So, I mean, it's not really embarrassing to me. It's more like YouTube's issue. But anywho, I'm rambling. I'm hopping off. Check me out on my other channels. Hot Mess Mama Vlogs for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there. Hot Mess in the Kitchen, where your girl is slowly getting back to being in the kitchen. We're going to start it off with what I eat in a day kind of thing. Over 40. I don't know. Hopefully you'll watch. I'm rambling. I'm in my own head. It's time to go now. Okay. Well, until next time, friends, as always, everything will be linked down below. If you do want to sign up for Ipsy or Boxy by Ipsy, I will have a link down there, and that's actually an affiliate link. So thank you guys if you do choose to use it. I will say overall, I'm really pleased with this paid for box. This is the first time in a long mother trucking time that my Boxycharm by Ipsy has actually made me happy. So thank you for that. Thank you that I don't have to contact customer service. I appreciate that. Okay, that is all for now. If you do want to pick up my collection, if you do want to enter into the giveaway, I will have links down below for that as well. And don't forget, next Thursday, next Thursday at like 1 o'clock, I'll be live over on OFRA's YouTube channel. So see you guys there. Okay, until next time. Oh my Lord. Oh gosh, I'm getting nervous about today's live too. I always get really nervous with that because I can't edit myself. That's the problem. I can't edit anything that falls out of my mouth. I really have to think before I speak, and that is not a strong suit for me. So anyways, until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!